Hi besties, welcome back to another video. In today's video I'll be showing you guys how I achieve this hairstyle that I'm going to be doing on my 6 years old daughter hair. This is one of our favorite hairstyle and I'm going to be adding this kinky hair extension. It's a little bit long. It's this afro hair. I got the shade that really matches with her hair. It's 22 inches. I cut it into 2 parts because I just want to stop where her hair stopped. So I've washed the hair and also blow dry it, and yeah, I'm trying to part the hair and start from the bottom. I've finished the first part. I like to add extension to my daughter hair because it makes it more last than a natural hair like that. I'm braiding it from the down before twisting it because we are still in the process of learning. So as you guys can see, I'm twisting the both parts together individually. I'm just twisting it from the down, taking it up. I'm also making sure that the twists are very tight and neat, like this is not gonna get loose. That's just the technique, you guys. Just make sure that it's tight, at the same time it's neat. So I tried to twist how some other people twist, but trust me, I did not get it right. It did not come out really nice. I had to take it off and just try this my new technique. In my own opinion, I think the twist really come out really nice. So it's not very tight, trust me, because even my daughter's scalp is very soft and I don't want anything that would just bring reaction. So at this point, I got to the middle and I was just trying to check if everything is in place. Right now I'm just going to move to the side and start twisting from the side. So if you're a beginner like me, you can try this technique what I'm doing right now, like braiding from the down and then twisting and twisting until you get the good result. Okay, so I'm using a little bit of this extension. I'm not adding too much. As you guys can see, you can get the shorter length if you don't want to get the longer length as well, instead of cutting it. So I'm also using a hair control to slick down the hair to make sure everything is neat. You definitely need a hair control to make sure the hair just give you the good result what we are looking for. So at the end, I try to twist if I can get a nice coils from the down. This is the main reason I love this hair kinking afro, because anyhow you just do it, it just go to any part you choose and it actually come out really nice. So you guys, while twisting, I found out that I was able to twist from the down and I was so excited because this was a big plus for me. So at this point, I just finished styling the back section and we are heading over to the front. I'm going to be braiding the front down, and one thing that you want to make sure is that the hair is being detangled properly for us to style. So this hair took us for about 2 to 3 hours and I can assure you that my baby was calm all through. She was very nice about this. So in this place, I was trying to braid the front down. I try to give a side part, you know, and I'm going to be adding a little bit of the extension. So I try braiding the hair from the down first before adding a little bit of the kinky hair. I continue to braid down. At the end, I use my styling gel to twist the hair properly for it to stay. So this was a whole learning process for me, but I was glad that I did it like this because at the end it all comes out really nice. Just try to watch to the end and then you will know what I'm talking about. about. This is it, the first part what I've done, and then I'm just going to go ahead and braid the rest of the hair down and continue to add the kicking hair to it little by little. So there's this one thing that I love my daughter about, is that she's really calm when it comes to me styling her hair. She's so excited about this, you know, as you guys can see, she was happy. So while doing this second line, I was thinking that maybe I'm going to take off the first one. The first one was not really good to my taste, but I was just thinking after styling everything, maybe I'm going to take that off. So finally we are the last step. So if you are a mom, I'm gonna give you a little advice before styling your toddler hair, because I know a lot of moms do struggle styling their toddler hair like this. It's not difficult, it's very easy, but one thing you should know is before you style their hair, make sure that that day they are feeling happy, and also make sure that they take a good nap, okay, and they are feeling happy. So this is the technique that I'm using for my baby girl, and take their permission first. Ask them, did you want to make your hair today? If she said no, no, and if she said yes, let it be like that. So this is it. I hope this technique also work for you, because basically this is what is working for me. So as you guys can see, we are all done with the hair, and I try to create a side part. Basically this is how I love it. It kind of give her that fitting and also bring out the beauty in her. I just love it. I love it, and she love it too. And just take a look at that cutting, like look at that pattern, look at the way everything is just neat. I am super proud of myself, like I was able to come up with this hairstyle. I'm just gonna be packing it for her because it's a little bit hot. The weather right now is hot, so like this she's going to be free. You guys can see her face. She loved this hair, and I love it too, and I love how the hair turns out. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you found this video helpful. You can get the kinky hair afro from Amazon. You can find all the length as well over there if that interests you, and I'm going to be seeing you guys in my next one. Peace out and bye bye.